Hi, this is Altaf. Welcome to Antamas Cooking Academy. Today I will going to show you instantly how to make chocolate ganache. Come, let's see what are the ingredients we want. 50 gram white sugar, 50 gram cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 60 gram unsalted butter and 150 ml milk. Now I will show you how to make. Take the fan and keep on fire. Add milk and add the sugar. Add cocoa powder and vanilla essence. Brings to boil. If you still didn't subscribe us, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. This ganache is very easy to make. If you in this ganache, you can coat in the donuts and cakes, eclairs, anything else. But don't do the piping works in this recipe. Example like pipe onto the cupcake. The chocolate mixture is came to the boiling stage. Switch off the fire and take out and pour into the jar immediately. If the chocolate mixture is cool down, not be completely, take the warm stage and put the butter into that and blend it well. If there are any questions and doubts in the recipe, please comment to the comment section. I hope you all enjoy this recipe. Thank you.